Hey guys, let's see how to fix this issue with Android devices. The information here with the internet may not be available when I'm trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. So this is pretty simple. You just need to check some things here. First of all, if you're connected to the correct router, if you have the correct password, right? Then you can try some things like this. For example, you can just come here, select and forget network. And then you can connect and try to insert the correct password. If it's wrong for some reason, let me just try this Wi-Fi here. I have more than one, right? I have this one for test. Let me just come here and insert the password like I have here a temp test password. There we go, just confirming and then connect. And then I can check if the problem is solved. Just need to check if it's connecting to the network or not. You see here incorrect password. I think I have here temp pass. Let me just double check. So you see when you have the incorrect password, the error is different. There we go. Now it's checking the internet connection. They say it may not be available again, right? And what you can do here is just come to the settings. Let me just come here and you can check if you have VPNs or if your DNS is incorrect. You can even reset your phone. You can restart your phone first to see if it works. If it doesn't, you can reset it, right? The network at least. You just come down here on general management, and from here you can reset the network. So just come here, reset, and you see they have some options to reset here, right? So I'm going to reset the Wi-Fi. So I come here, reset network settings. It's going to reset the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Just type here, reset settings, draw your pattern, and hit reset. Okay? Now your phone is going to come to the default setting for the network. You see here the information, network setting reset. So you're good to go. Then you can try again one more time. So come here, try to connect to the Wi-Fi. This one, for example. You need to enter the password again because I just reset it, right? So hit here, temp pass for this test. Let me just change here that I got it wrong. There we go, temp pass. I hit here, connect. It's trying to connect. Internet may not be available again. Okay, you can also try to connect to, let's say, for example, data and use to see if it's working. Sometimes it's just your router. Just restart your router as well. And if it still doesn't work, then you can check something else. If I come here to the settings, just come here and then you go to connections. There we go. Then you come down, more connection settings, and look for private DNS. There we go. I have here something with the private DNS. I just put this on automatic or off. Usually automatic works fine. Just hit save. There we go. Now let's just try one more time and see if it works. Now it's connected and it's working. Okay, so internet is going to be available for this one. It's saying it's not available for the other one here, but for this one, the main one is available. Okay, so I can just test, go to the internet, and works pretty fine, right? So hope that helps. That's the way you can solve the problem with internet not available on your Wi-Fi. Just follow the procedure here, and for sure it's going to work. Leave your comments here if it's working for you or if it's not working for you, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.